Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to the shop, chill out, or not. Woo! There's a lock that I can get to. Seriously, dude? It's over. There you go. You're welcome. It's probably that. What is going on, guys? So I am responding to a brown 2017 Honda Accord tire service call. See what's going on with this customer. Maybe it just needs a tire patch or tire repair, or maybe needs a spare tire put on. So let's get to this customer and see what's going on over here. Gotta love having a flat tire, right? And if I can get a signature real quick.
Yeah, I was up in the window with my finger. Where at? On this line? Or
Just sign on, yeah.
Yeah, I was looking out the window. Looking for you.
Yeah. Alright.
Hey, I've been done.
I got
a flat tire.
You need me to move back some, or are you able to get out? Yeah. Let me back up some. Alright. Let me get some pictures. Oh, that doesn't look happy at all.
Yeah, I was hoping. Well, I know you wouldn't. Do you think I need to get a whole new tire?
Yeah, that's a whole new tire, because that whole sidewall is done.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
What about the rim?
The rim is good.
Because what happened, I was leaving, I was headed to the store and I hit the damn curb. And then I noticed the car wasn't feeling right. So when I got to the parking lot at the store, I got and looked at it and I thought, I said, let me go right back home. I need to make it in the store.
Yeah.
I don't know how that did that.
Yeah, I don't know. Alright, yeah. And you got the spare tire in the back?
Yeah, and I don't know what shape it is, and you're going to have to help me, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's fine.
I got a case of water back here.
Yeah.
And
I'll move this out of the way.
You can look at it, but don't sit there because I'm scary. If you put it in my car back.
Oh yeah, I got it.
I'm scary of bugs. You got all kind of. Anyway, I should have had this open first.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh Lord.
Oh.
Matter of fact, they have to move it again anyway.
Yeah, you're welcome. Alright. Don't have much to actually change out the tire. Don't have much to change out the tire on that one. I'm going to test the tire pressure in this one, that way you're good. And you can't go too fast on these donuts. They're meant up to 50 miles per hour.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I don't go anywhere. I take my granddaughter to school and pick her up, and maybe the grocery store in the area, and that's it.
There you go. Yeah, I'm going to put that back in there.
Oh.
Yeah. And I'll put the...
You need any of that?
I don't need any of that.
Oh, okay.
I got better tools than this. There you go. And let me tell yeah, the tire pressure in this is low, so I'll fill it up. You got a wheel lock?
No.
Yeah, you do. And they look like 19. Alright. Grab gloves. These gloves are tearing apart already.
Is that all it is?
Yep, that's all I need.
Okay.
Alright. Heat. Like a Honda type. There you go. It fell down. Eight and a half.
Where are you located?
I'm located down there in Warner Robins.
Oh, you down here?
Yeah.
Quicker than I thought.
I was trying to get here sooner.
Really?
Because I was over at Crystal trying to get some food.
I'm
And
sorry.
when I went over there to get some food, nobody answered the little speaker thing when I showed up. So I'm like, no, they were open. And I was like, what's going on over here? Like, I'm hungry, like I'm dying of hunger, and I'm trying to make it over to my next customer.
And you don't have anybody here?
Yeah. So I drove up to the window. I was like, so y'all speaker don't work? Oh no, we're all backed up, but there's only one customer at the window. So I'm like, how are y'all backed up when you only got one customer? It was ridiculous. But I got my food, and then they want to sit there and start chit chat, started talking and everything. I'm like, what are you guys doing? Ain't nobody got time for that. I mean, let's see. Yeah, that's it. These are. Oh, this is the right one. Well, at least it's not raining out here.
The same thing. I think it rained last night, or either was damp. I think it rained early this morning because I woke up real early, and I think it was wet out here.
Yeah. Someone got that one tight. You always got to come prepared for any job.
Yeah, it looks like.
There you go. There you go. Get in there.
How much tires run now?
For those, I can look it up. I mean, you can order it on Amazon, and Walmart is really good at giving you a good price on
Would it be the same tire or something close to it?
something close to it.
I think when I got these, I got them at the set, but that was years ago.
Yeah. Let me see.
I don't go anywhere.
On Amazon, what are they? $2.15. 55R17 tires. If you order on Amazon something more of this kind, the cheapest one, which I wouldn't go with that one. That one looks good. Oh, that's a set of two for $138, $139.
Is that a decent price?
Oh yeah, that's a really good price.
That's Amazon?
So that's like $70 per tire.
What brand is that?
It's Foursome Octa all seasonal.
Oh, but it's not the same kind as that one.
It's not going to be the same kind. But if you want
let me ask you a question, and I don't you know. I have a package when I bought these at the tire place out there. Oh God, I think it's Log Cabin Drive. Would that be, since I hit the curb, do you think that would be like maybe roadside hazard or something like that? Or I mean, it was my fault.
Yeah, I mean, it's not considered as a road hazard.
Would they give like the difference of what's left? Is there tread left, by the way, because they haven't been rotated?
Yeah, there's plenty of tread.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, that's about the same as my tires.
I was wondering if I should go to them or just go to some place and cheaper and just see if I can get something.
You can call around other tire shops and see what they got. And just price around, but I always go on Amazon and order my tires.
Okay, I'll let my daughter do it because I'm not good with this technology stuff. I'll let her do it for me.
Yeah.
I was just trying to get an idea. Crap always happens when you have no money. At least it does with me.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Yeah, I know that's right.
It's one thing after another.
Yeah, I was hoping it might be like a nail or something, but
yeah.
I mean that's all around.
And it was so quick. It was like a matter of 5 minutes. As soon as I hit it, because I was leaving right out here, and as I was riding, and I don't know much. I said, this don't feel right. And I got into the store around the corner, and when I got in the parking lot and got out the car, and I looked, I said, oh Lord, I didn't make it into the store. I said, let me go home before I get stuck out on the street.
Yeah.
I just turned around and came back and called.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's completely done. Yeah, and it's got a crack in here, and that's your hole right here. So this is mainly where you hit the curb and everything. It kind of did an imprint on the rim. The rim is not cracked, so you're good on that.
Oh, thank God.
But yeah, it's just right there.
I don't know if I got the crack,
Yeah.
It was the rim or what. That was another reason I wanted to get home, because I didn't want to be driving on the rim.
Yeah. But yeah, your rim is fine.
You know what? I see it's buckled on here. Look, if you look at it, am I looking? It shouldn't be buckled like that, should it? Or is that
nah, it's just a little bit sheared off from riding on the rim.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's mainly your hole right here.
Okay.
You got a crack and a hole.
Yeah.
So that's where you hit the curb. Yeah. I wish it was repairable, but let me put this in the back. There you go. There you go. Let me go ahead and get that spare on.
That was 17 inches?
Yeah. It's 215, I think 215 55R17. Yeah. Gotta make sure I hand the customer the
I held the thing in my hand.
Yeah, because there were a couple times where I accidentally leave the lock on the wheel and the customer drives off. Hey, do you have the lock?
No.
Oh, no, I don't.
No, I was going to remember that. Okay, thank you. Now, how long can I ride on this?
Judging by the looks of his tire, probably about 200 miles.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want to have a tire before then.
Yeah. Yeah, let me get myself packed up. I need some information and you're good to go. Someone needs a better exhaust on that thing.
I thought it was set like that because this wakes you up 4 hours in the morning. Every time it takes us.
Yeah. Yeah, I know, right? And what is it, a Honda or? It's a Hyundai.
I thought they had it like that deliberately.
Huh?
I thought they had, you know, where they can make that sound deliberately.
No, that's all aftermarket. Alright. So all I need is the mileage on the vehicle and you're good. Yeah. Will it display right then and there? No, it's not. No. Yeah, I need the key fob. Yeah, you do it. Oh, 53,001. That's a low mileage.
Yeah, I don't go anywhere, and it's free. You know, I'm the only driver.
Yeah. And it sounds really good too.
2017.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, mine's a 2014. I already got 110,000 miles on it.
My daughter has a 2018. She's got over 100, I think, over here, but she drives. She works in Dublin. So
yeah.
Up and down, you know.
Yeah. I travel a lot. I mean, I travel a lot too. I already put like 20,000 miles on my car in like 2 months.
Well, that's like I said, I go nowhere.
Yeah.
I think the farthest we went to Disney like 2 years ago. And that's the furthest this car has ever been.
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate you coming out so quick.
Yeah, no problem. Well,
okay.
You have a great day. You too. Oh, another tire service call. This time closer to my shop, I think. Let me see where this one is located. Oh, come on. Oh, let's see. Right by the base. Fort Valley Police. Ooh. Let's see. I'm trying to think of where exactly it's gonna be. But let's go ahead and continue to the next call for this tire service. She's good to go. So I need to make it to this next customer. The next customer is a black 2015 Nissan Rogue Select. So I'm gonna go ahead. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, never mind, you're waiting for a car. But let's go ahead and get to this customer, and we'll see you guys there. Alright, so I am close to this Nissan Rogue Select. Gotta make it all the way to the customer. Alright, so we're here. Hello. I'm doing pretty good. Gotta love having a flat tire. Blame the tire shop?
Yeah, they took the nail out but didn't patch it, I'm assuming.
They didn't patch it? Well, I can certainly patch it that way.
Stop.
Yeah. I got the patch kit.
Yeah, because that's literally the only thing that's wrong with it.
Yeah.
I took it yesterday to get, tires rotated.
Yeah.
And to put, for them to take the nail out and patch it.
Yeah.
And this morning it was. Tires are perfect.
Yeah.
If that's all that's needed, that's great.
Yeah, yeah. If I can get a signature real quick and I'll
Yeah.
get the tire off and take a look. Yeah. This is much better than going to the tire shop and be like, y'all didn't do it right.
All this other stuff.
Yeah. Oh, why'd you do that? I love this phone. There we go.
Oh, I still going back to hey, you messed up my tires.
Yeah. Alright. Let me get my gloves on. I love driving this far. Back over here. Let's see. They did kind of patch it.
But they didn't patch it right.
Yeah, they didn't patch it right.
But it's patchable.
Yeah, it's patchable.
Okay. Right there?
Yeah, that's right there.
That doesn't even look like it's patched.
No, I'm gonna do it much better than that.
That's something in the hole.
Yeah.
I could have done that last time.
Yeah, let me see if I can pull it out. I'll patch it correctly. Where's my pliers? I don't know where my pliers went. Dang. Getting kind of on my hair, but not near as bad. Ah, you gotta be kidding me. It isn't in the back, in front. Yes. Yeah, that's a very bad patch. I'm guessing that was my dispatcher?
No, it's USAA.
USAA, okay.
Yeah, we had a
Bad experience?
well, we've been waiting since 1, and I canceled them, and then we just got the refund really fast. So
Yeah. Yeah, alright. Yeah, no problem. Oh, look at this guy. I don't know what that tire shop was thinking with this patch. They didn't patch it correctly. No, I mean, it seems like they just put a little rubber thing in. Yeah. I got air.
oh my god, this is great.
You chose the best roadside assistance technician out here.
Yeah, I can see her, and I'm gonna take care of this.
Yeah, you can take a picture of the side of my car. You can also watch me on YouTube and follow me on Facebook. Right in there. Sink that right in. In there. There's a little bit of air in it. This is the second time doing this. Alright. Wipe this down. Perfect. Where's the pliers? Damn it. There you go. That'll seal it. There you go. Where is it? Oh, there it is down here. Let that sit for a bit. I don't know what the tire shop was thinking. Alright, real quick. Get this filled up. Alright, before anything, trash. Heat. Alright, heat. Done. Now air. Smooth tire. Whew, hot. Whew. Ain't kinda hot. Alright. I don't even know what kind of plug this person had. Let me sit in the cool air while I'm waiting for this. Whew, hot. Good enough. Always verify the patch is good. No air bubbles. None. Alright. I'll keep that open. Ooh.
September, half September. Oh, that's a good one. I'm going to take the picture of yourself and I put it in. I want to do the zoo. I have not been to the zoo yet. The aquarium is...
Didn't like the aquarium?
No, but I grew up in Japan, so...
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they have the largest aquarium, one of the largest aquariums. So
yeah.
You can't go off my experience. That's yours, right? You're right, no, the dolphin show was nice, okay? It's a fish. I can go to the pet store. Boom.
Yep, and I verified no air leaks.
Yay! Thank you.
You're welcome. I don't know what that tire shop was thinking, but they just put like a rubber piece in there and called it quits.
I could have done that myself.
Yeah.
It's okay, they don't get placed out.
Yeah. I mean, I put some tire sealant on there.
Okay.
That way it seals up that plug, so there won't be any air leaks at all. I did a new one. You're welcome. Alright, all I need. Can I get the mileage of the vehicle real quick?
It's
It's
a lot.
a lot.
I'm telling you. That's not my fault. Oh, one pizza.
Alright. Alright.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Well, you have a great day.
You too. So much. I'm so sorry.
Alright. Well, that customer is good to go. It's a nice day for a tire change and a tire repair. So that customer is happy. It saves her a lot of money. She don't have to sit there and go out of her way to go to the tire shop, cuss them out because they did a crappy job on the patch. But I put the correct patch in, got it all sealed up, guaranteed no leaks in that tire. That customer is good to go. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to the shop, chill out. Or not. C notes. Alright, C notes. What's in my notes? Hold on. Tire change. Well, let's go ahead and get to this next call for another tire change. So, I guess everybody's coming along with me for a tire change spree. So, let's go ahead and get to this next customer. It is going to be a black 2014 Hyundai Equus, whatever that vehicle is. But let's get to this customer and see exactly what's going on. Alright, so I am here. Go ahead and get my pictures. Front camera. Very special wheels. Alright. Get in contact with this customer. Hello. Hello, how you doing?
I'm good. I'm getting keys.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, I don't think it is front wheel, or it might be front wheel.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright. So you don't know if you have like a nail in there or anything?
I don't know, but I know I hit a pothole from the interstate.
Oh yeah.
And soon after the light came on.
Yeah.
So, and I was looking at it because it was the Macon
Yeah.
when it happened. And then when I got to Macon, the light came on, but it was still inflated.
Yeah.
So I said, well, let me go on home. I stopped by the house to get my pressure gauge because I was going to go out here to QT and put the marinade back.
Yeah.
And then when I got out, I thought it was already.
Yeah.
Where the boy at? So,
Yeah.
that's a no.
It's quite unfortunate.
Yeah.
And this is a front wheel drive, right? Don't know.
Not really.
Alright, here, let me look. And it is four wheel drive.
Four wheel.
I think it's four wheel. I really can't tell. No, I think it's rear wheel. I think it's rear wheel, so we should be good. Yep. Alright, if I can get a signature real quick.
Okay. With my finger?
Yeah. Alright. Let me go ahead and get everything going.
So, you just change it out?
Yeah, change it out with the stair.
You don't have no air pump in there?
I got the air pump right here.
Could you try to see if it'll hold it in there?
I can't pull it out of my car because it's plugged in right here, but I can get the tire off and bring it over here.
Okay.
First I'm going to inspect the tire to see what kind of damage it is.
Do your thing, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, and let me hit it this way.
Nah. Alright. Alright, yeah, you could just leave it back there for now. I'll come get it after I get the tire off.
Yeah, right down the interstate. I'm looking in my rearview mirror, trying to merge into traffic. And while I'm looking in the rearview mirror, pothole, I went, see that pothole? No, I didn't see it. I'm looking in the rear, in the pothole.
Yeah.
And then, like I say, when I got to Macon, it didn't look like it had gone flat, and I didn't really see the flatness until I pulled up in the driveway.
Yeah.
Thank God that it was. Let me back to the house.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, hopefully. Is it? Oh. Oh yeah, I need more space. Let's see here. I'm gonna have to get the tire off to look at it more.
Okay.
Because I don't see anything over here. Oh, yeah, there it is. Right there on the side. Got that right there.
Okay.
You see the little crack?
Oh, man. That's
Yeah.
tear. Can you repair that?
I can't repair that.
That's one of the main repairable
Yeah.
things.
Yeah. Well, Mark, maybe a tire shop can repair it.
I'm going to take
But
it out where I bought the tire. I just bought the tire this year.
They're under warranty.
Well, I better hope so.
Yeah. Because they should have like a 2-year warranty. I'm going to go ahead and mark that spot for the shop.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what happened. There's that pothole and told my thing.
Hmm.
Like I said, just want to make it back to the house and everything's down the road.
Yeah. And you'll be stuck there until someone comes to get you.
Yeah.
Oh no. Come on. First time using the pen. There you go. There you go. And these are 21. Yeah, they're 21. Alright. Ooh, these are tight. Alright, and I'll get the spare filled up. Alright, bring this back here. There you go. Ooh. I got low on it. What does it say? 60. There you go. Alright, wait for that to fill up and should be good to go after that. I've never seen a vehicle so far with the battery in the back. Out of all the jump starts that I've done and everything, all the batteries are in the front, and there was, what was it, the Dodge Journey, their batteries are actually right down here. So I'm like, I can't jump start that.
Like, when I bought the car, like, I said to say, I never seen a battery in the back in the truck.
Yeah. And I've done a lot of lockouts too, especially on the Nissan Armada. And that's kind of tricky trying to get in one of those.
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah. But out of, what was it, Toyotas, Kias, Hyundais, they're all easy to get into. Fords, kind of tricky. Chevys, very rough. And Dodges and Hondas, good luck. Yeah. Because I've done a Honda Accord lockout. They locked the keys in the trunk, and they called the cops to come out, and it got the driver's side door open and couldn't even press the button to open up the trunk because the security alarm was going off, and you got to disable the security in order for you to get into the trunk. So cops called me for rotation, and I went all the way up in Gray. By the time I got there, and 2 deputies are sitting there going, "We're trying to figure out how to get into the trunk." And I'm like, well, the only thing I can think of is taking half the back seat apart. Yeah. So that's what we did and everything. I'm like, there's got to be an easier way to get into the trunk. Come to find out, inside the door, on the side, there's a rubber grommet that you take out. And then you take a screw out from there, and then take the key tumbler out. Take a screwdriver, reach in there, lock the doors, and then unlock the doors. It'll disable the alarm so you can press the button and open up the trunk. I'm like, I could have turned 50 minutes into 15 minutes.
Yeah, man, yeah. The building now is just so much high-tech electronics and stuff on it that, hey, it could be a rocket science or sometimes figure this stuff out.
Yeah. Yeah, I've done a BMW lockout. And that one was very interesting because the BMW that I got called out to open up was a full electric vehicle.
Okay.
Everything is push button, like or a touch button, not push or lever or anything, nothing. It's all electronic. So I tried opening up the door, and sure enough, when I twisted the handle, I went to pull the handle on the outside. I opened up the door. I'm like, sweet. So the guy got into the vehicle, started it up and everything, make sure that everything's looking good. And I'm trying to take pictures of the aftermath to make sure that there's no damage to the vehicle. Vehicle running, keys outside the vehicle. I closed the door, door's locked. The guy couldn't even use the key to unlock the vehicle while the vehicle's running. Wow. So I had to break into the vehicle twice. It's insane how technology is. Yeah. One thing for sure, you're not going to see me running in an electric vehicle. Especially with this kind of business too. Because when you are on a battery and you only got 20 miles to go on that battery and the customer's 25 miles away, then I have to be stuck over at a charging station for about an hour charging up. Yeah, and then I lose money because then the customer is going to sit there and be like, I want a different company coming out.
Time is money, man.
Yeah.
Everybody wanted microwave. Microwave time.
Yeah. Tire shop should be open by 8 o'clock.
Yeah, I think 8. Hopefully 7.
Hopefully 7. You can't go too fast on these. It's 50 miles per hour, so. Yeah. And no potholes. And no potholes.
Yeah, that's right. I would take a different ride.
Yeah. Alright. There. Alright, and all I need is, let me see what they need. VIN number and the mileage. So, does it have a barcode on the outside? No, it don't. I gotta scan it. So it's on the inside. There you go, and the mileage. Yeah, that's the VIN number right here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I could just scan it there, automatically puts everything in.
Okay, good.
And mileage on the vehicle. $78305.
78305. 78305.
All right. And you are good to go right there. And I got another call that I got to go to.
You say you working today, man.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm 24/7, so I'll be laying in bed for like 2 hours and I have a call. So it is what it is. Hey, I love it. It gets me going. Yep. Oh yeah. I live in Warner Robins, close to. That's where my shop is. So I go all over the place. Alright. Alright, well, yeah, no problem. And thank you for your service.
Thank you.
You too.
All right.
Alright.
All right. Bye-bye.
Later. Yes, sir.
Don't get no parking.
No, no. Alright. Alright. So this next one is so this next call is a jump start, so that ends my tire service spree. That customer is informed of the tire that got damaged, where the damage is, and he's going to get the tire either repaired or replaced. Depends on what the tire shop says. It looks like it's repairable. I just can't repair it because I don't have the tools to do so. So this next one is a jump start, so I'm not going to record this. So I'm going to go ahead and head out, get on the interstate, head to this next customer, and maybe I'll have another call that'll jump out right in front of me. So as always, please like, subscribe, comment down below of any thoughts, opinions, suggestions, concerns, anything that you want to comment about. And please share the videos. If you like my videos, please share, show your support. I really greatly appreciate it if everybody does that. Helps me grow as a business as well on YouTube and in real life. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and as always, God bless.